serene. Is voice audible? Okay, let's start. I think others are busy. So first we will finish this question paper, then we will take the new one. One more will start. Okay, see here there is a question. From the top of a building 60-meter height, the angles of depression of the top and bottom. Angles of depression. Okay. The building is 60-meter height. So first I will draw a building 60-meter height like this. From the top of the building, the angle of depression means angle of depression, top and bottom, 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So there is a tower also. That means I need to draw one more line vertically just parallel to this. So let me draw here like this. So if I consider this as a building from here to here, see this, like this you will have one depression and one more depression will come like this. So here this is 30 degree first angle and this one is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. Total height is given 60 meter. Total height is given 60 meter. They are asking you to find height of the building, right? Find the height of tower. Okay, tower is this, the smaller line, this line. That means I need to find out h. Here I need to have h. This. If this complete height is 60, then what will be the upper part? What will be the upper part? This will be 60 minus h. 60 minus h. For this triangle, the upper triangle, height is 60 minus h. Agree? Why 60 minus h? Complete 60 and this is h. So if I remove h in 60, I will get the remaining part. So the angles are like this. This is 30 degree anyway here, and this complete thing is 60 degree. Okay. Now we have to apply trigonometric function here. Before that, anything else is given? No, that's it. So there are two triangles. Identify them. There is one triangle which is called as we will name this, right? A B C D. I will name like this: A B C D E. Okay, so now it will be easy. There are two triangles, one is small, one is big. So take a triangle CDE. From triangle CDE, from triangle CDE, what is given to you? You have height. Height is there. Height is how much? 60 minus h. You have to find out base. You have to find out base. Height and base, which trigonometric function? Tan theta. Tan theta will give you opposite upon base. Now just put tan theta means what? For the smaller triangle, 30 degree. What is opposite? 60 minus h divided by base as it is. Get base from here. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is this? 60 minus h by base. Now what will happen? Base will be equal to, just I am doing shifting now. I will bring the base left side. Then root 3 I will take here. So base will be equal to root 3 into 60 minus h. Keep this as equation number 1 and go to the second triangle. Now from triangle ABE, from triangle ABE, no, bigger triangle, from triangle ABE. Here also we are given height, and height is here 60. ABE, height is 60 here. Then we have to write the equation for base. Again I will use tan only. This time I will use tan 60. Tan 60 will be what? Height upon base. Height is BE divided by base is AB. Correct? This is root 3 and we have here 60, and this is my base. B is my base. So from here I will have, I'll write here, my base will be equal to 60 by root 3. My base will be equal to 60 by root 3. This is equation number 2. Now if you compare 1 and 2, this is 1, base is equal to this much, and this is equation number 2, base is equal to 60 by root 3. Comparing 1 and 2, compare 1 and 2. So left side is here also base you have, here also base you have. That means these two quantities are equal. So you equate them. Root 360 minus h equal to 60 by root 3. Now this root 3 you multiply here. Root 3 will become 3. Then keep 60 minus h as it is, equal to, here only 60 is remaining because root 3 has come to left. Now multiply, or you just do 60 minus h equal to, this 3 is multiplied on left side, goes to right and becomes a division here. So you got 60 by 3 now. So next step, 60 minus h is equal to 20, because 3 ones are 3 20s are. Now 60 minus 20 will be equal to h. So what I did here, minus h that side becomes plus h, 20 brought to the left. So 60 minus 20 will become 40. So your height is 40 meter. Height is equal to 40 meter. That's the answer. Height is equal to 40 meter. Good morning, Janvi. Is this clear? Height we got. Next we need to find this. There is one more part. Also find the distance between the building and tower. Use root 3 as 1.732. Okay, that we'll see. Find the distance between the building and tower. So this AB we have to find out. This distance. What is AB? Here we have, this is only AB, right? 60 by, this is AB, 60 by root 3. So if you divide 60 by 1.732, what will come? What you will get? So the second part I will write here only, you can see. Distance here will be equal to 60 by root 3, which is AB. Here we have, this is only AB part. 60 by 1.732. So 60 by 1.732 you need to do. That will be up to 34.641. 34.641 meter. Okay, let's remove this and go to the next question. Now this question is about angle of elevation. So first draw the figure. The angle of elevation of the top of building from a point A on the ground is 30 degree. One is 30 and one more is on moving a distance 30 meter towards the base of the point B, the angle of elevation. Here I think a question is missing. The angle of elevation changes to, I will write here, angle of elevation changes to 45 degree. Find the height of the building and distance of its base. Find height of building and distance of its base from point A, and distance of its base from point A. First let's draw the figure quickly. So this time we have elevation goes up like this. This is 30 and it changes to 45 later. This point A, point B, and here we have point C. This is point D. This is our height which we need to calculate. This AB distance is given 30 meter. This part is given 30 meter. Let this be X. We don't know, so BC will be X. AB 30, BC X, and H is question mark. We need to calculate that also. So see the triangles now. Let's see this triangle first, the smaller one. This one. We have height H and we have base here X. So height and base, again height base. Height base means again tan it is. Tan theta is equal to height upon base. Tan 45 is equal to H by X. Tan 45 is 1, H by X. So X will become H. Means height is equal to that X value only. Now take the other triangle, the bigger triangle. There the angle is tan 30. Tan 30 will be equal to DC by CA, opposite upon base. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. DC by CA is, DC is H, this height, and AC you see, AC is 30 plus X. AC is 30 plus X. So write here 30 plus X. Then cross multiply. 30 plus X will be equal to root 3H into H. Now 30 plus H I will write in place of X because X is equal to H. And here I will write H root 3 or root 3H, anything. Now keep 30 here only, shift the H that side. So you already have H root 3 and minus H. H common, root 3 minus 1. H, what is root 3? 1.732 minus 1. So 1 goes. Here you see 1.732 minus 1, right? 1 will cancel. H will be 0.732 and this side 30 you have. 30. Just divide 30 by 1.732. Not 0.732. That will give you the height of the tower. 40.98 you should get. 40.98. Is it clear following? Then second part of this question. What is second part? Distance of its base from point A. From point A, this distance. What is this distance? Here only it is. D equal to 30 plus X. 30 plus X. X is how much? X is equal to H. That means 40.98. Here you add. So you will get 70.98 as your distance. .98 meter. Okay, unit is also important, right? Everywhere, meter like that. Clear? Okay, we'll go to the next. So here is next. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distinct point, then prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So this is very simple question. Okay, so first you write given. What is given to you? They are telling if a line is drawn to parallel to one side of a triangle. So first let's write the diagram. I think that will be easy to write given and all. I'll write diagram here. So this is my triangle. I will name this as ABC. ABC. Then I will draw one line parallel here, which is ED. E here, D here, ED. So from the figure I can write given DE parallel to which side? BC. Given DE parallel to BC. And we need to prove that. To prove, what we need to prove? See, in triangle, circles and all, if you get proof types of questions, you need to write all this given, to prove. For everything marks will be there. They will observe all this. You have to prove the ratio, sides of ratios are same, right? So one ratio will be EC by AE equal to BD by AD. You need to prove. BD by AD. So you can take this if you want as a DE. Let's make this DE. ABC, here D and here E. So one is EC by AE. Then another one is BD by AD. This is what you need to prove. So how will you do this? Start the proof. There is a theorem, right? BPT. So first you see corresponding angles are equal here. Which are they? Angle AED equal to angle ACB. These two middle letters you need to observe. These two are corresponding angles and they are equal. Write reason always. Corresponding angles. Then next one, EDE equal to ABC. Now middle letter is B, here it is D. So you can see those two are corresponding. These two and these two. They are all corresponding angles. Write reason, corresponding angles. These two are equated. Then there is one angle which is common. Angle EAD is common to both triangles. So angle EAD equal to angle EAD. Reason common. So by this you are proving that these two triangles are similar. This implies triangle AED similar to triangle ACB. By which similarity this is? AAA similarity. Because you have equated all the three angles. AAA similarity. So if they are similar, then you can write the sides of the ratios equal easily. Therefore, AC by AE is equal to AB by BD. AB by AD. Now here this side, what is meant by AC? This complete thing AC. AE plus EC divided by, keep the AE as it is, and this side you write what is meant by AB. Here is AB. AB is AD plus DB divided by, keep this AD as it is. So from here now you just need to write EC here and by E, and here we will write what they are asking, BD, DB by AD. That's the proof. Now if you have question how this is coming, AE is taken common. If you take AE common, what will happen? I will write here, 1 second. You are not able to see here, I think. Okay, I will show you here how this is coming. Take AE common. If you take AE common, then here you will have 1 plus EC by AE divided by AE equal to, if you take here AD common, 1 plus BD by AD divided by AD. Now you can cancel this and this and this. Then you have 1 plus EC by AE equal to, here you will have 1 plus BD by AD. Cancel 1 again. This one goes, this one also goes. So what you are remaining with, EC by AE, this part, and equal to BD by AD, this part. This much you need to do. Got it? So the last part, observe carefully. That common part, observe carefully. If you are not getting, again you can ask me, or you work out this last part. This part, common part, you need to work out. This is and all, this is very clear. This is, there is nothing in this. Okay, we'll take next question then. Let it be here only. If you want, I will come back here again. So this is my next question. This is about volume surface area. Okay, so here what they are asking you, first you have to find volume of wood, then you have to find lateral surface area of cuboid, then you have to find volume of wood remaining cuboid after carving out 7 cylindrical hollows. Or instead of this third question, you can solve this. So there is an option between, option for only the third part. First and second part are mandatory. So let's take one by one. First part, directly we'll write formula, volume of cylinder. What is volume of cylinder? pi r square h. Pi is how much? 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 2 centimeter given. Here it is. Radius is 2 and height is also given 3. So this will be 22 by 7 into 6. 22 into 6, 132 by 7. If you divide 132 by 7, you will get 37.7 meter. This is first part. Second part, lateral surface area, means curved surface area actually. See, curved surface area for spherical things like cylinder, curved. Then cone, curved surface area. If it is cube and cuboid, the same will be called as LSA. For cube and cuboid, they call it as LSA. For other figures, they call it as CSA, curved surface area, lateral surface area. So lateral surface area formula, 2H into L plus B. Cuboid lateral surface area, 2H into L plus B. You people can write this as 2HL and 2HB also. Like this also you can write. Hope you know the formula, right? How this comes. Total surface area will have 3 terms. LH, BH, HB. All the 3 terms will be there. But in lateral surface area or curved surface area, one term will be missing, which is open. So we will leave that. Now this is the formula. Insert the values. Very simple. 2 into 14. Height is given to you 14. And this is 17 plus this is 4. Here the values are. This is the values. Actually this order is LHB. This order is L into H into B. Means first number is L, second number is H, third number will be B. So you can take anything, no problem. But the order is LHB. LBH, not LHB. LBH. LBH, length, breadth, height, like that. LBH. So what is this? 28 and this is 21. 28 into 21. 588 centimeter square, because everything is centimeter here. This also should be centimeter only. This should be centimeter cube volume. Then third part we'll do of here only. So what is third part? Again volume. Find volume of wood. Just multiply those 3 numbers. Here we have 14, 17. LBH is the formula. 14, 17 and 4. This will be volume of the wood. 952 centimeter cube. Okay. Then 7 holes are carved in this. Means you have to remove that much area. Okay, so remaining part they are asking. See this one, carving out 7 cylindrical hollows. Find the volume of wood in the remaining cuboid. Means cuboid volume is this 952. So in the 952 I should subtract a number for 7 cylindrical hollows. 952 minus, what is that volume? 7 into 37 point, where it is here. This is for cylinder, right? For one cylinder. 37.7. 7 cylindrical halls. 7 cylindrical halls means 7 into 37.7. that I am writing here, 7 into 37. So 952 minus 7 into 37.7, which will be around 263.9. If you remove this much, you will remain with 688.1 centimeter cube. That's the final answer, 688.1 centimeter cube. Clear? Then this part also we will finish here only. The last part here, this sub question. So that answer will be very simple. What they are asking, surface area they are asking. So third B, surface area. Surface area formula, surface area of the top surface. Surface area of top, that means it is rectangle, L into B. So what is L? 14. What is B? 17. Finish. 14 into 17, 238 cm square. That's all. So work out all these questions. See, here the third question, the third one here, this you need to be careful, this part. You need to be very careful here. What they are asking, you need to understand properly. So they are asking you, find the volume of wood remaining after carving out 7 cylindrical hollows. So you have to remove the volume of cylinder, which is 7 times in the complete volume of the cuboid. Volume of cuboid is here. In this you need to remove that much. So be careful about such questions. The first two were direct anyway, no issues. And also remember, when the dimension is given like this, 14 into 17 into 4, this order is LBH always. This order is LBH. That also you should keep in your mind, or else you will go wrong here. In this place you will go wrong. If you know LBH order, then only you will select 14 into 17, right? If you don't know this LBH order, then you may select any other number here, any other two number, which will lead to wrong answer. So that's the basic in this question. The basic is LBH order you learned. Then second one is how to do this type of questions. Third, these two things are new, I think. Remaining you might have seen already. I'll go to next. So here, what is this question? Flower beds look beautiful growing in gardens. I think this is a case study question. This is case study question, I think. We'll see. One such circular park of radius r meter has two segments with flowers. It has two segments. You can see here, red roses, yellow flowers. One segment which subtends an angle 90 degree at the center is full of red roses. This segment subtends an angle of 90 degree. This segment. Other segment with central angle 60 degree. So this will subtend 60, this will subtend 90 degree. We'll write the figure, we'll see. Is full of yellow colored flowers. See figure and answer this. it is given that combined area of the two segments is 256 2 by 3 square centimeter. Combined area means we have to add the areas, both areas. Based on the above, answer the following. Write an equation representing the total area of the segments in terms of R. So first we'll take first one, you see. First one is equation for total area of two segments. Total area of two segments in terms of R will be equal to, what is the total area here? Area of red segment, area of red roses segment plus area of yellow flower segment. This is only the total area, correct? So area of segment is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. Minus half r square sine theta. This is for red one. Plus for this same theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sine theta. This is the formula for area of segment. Area of segment formula. Area of segment is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sine theta. This formula. So for red rose segment and for yellow rose segment I have written here. This should be equal to total area. What is total area given? 256 2 by 3. This is total area given. Write this side. Now substitute the angles. This is making 90, so 90 by 360 pi r square minus, you are going to keep this part as it is, half r square sine theta, plus here you will keep 60 by 360 pi r square, and this part again you will keep as it is. Okay, I will write this side now. This side we will write. If we simplify this, means cancel 91s are 94s are, here 61s are 66s are. So I have 1 by 4 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta or you can okay, here angle you need to substitute here also. This is sine 90. Sine 90 will be 1, so I'll take it as 1. Here it is sine 60. Sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. I will take that as root 3 by 2. So here half r square sine 91 means gone it is. Plus here 1 by 6 pi r square minus half r square into root 3 by 2, because sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Finally we'll substitute this. 1 by 4 will simplify. Half r square 1 by 6 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. Root 3 by 4 r square is equal to 256.66, 2 by 3, 256.66. Just write this completely. Step by step you write down or take a screenshot. Later you observe this carefully again. This is little different question. Little different it is. I don't know, like you might not have came across such questions. So take this screenshot and later work on this also. That is first part over now. We wrote the equation in terms of r. This is over. Now we will find out the value of r, then we will find out area of the segment with red roses. You have to work this out. These steps are different. And remember this formula, area of segment formula. Area of segment formula 3 by 3 theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta. Minus half r square sin theta. This is area of segment. Okay, we'll take the next part here then. Now I have to find the value of r. This I am taking now. Find value of r. So we have now got the equation, right? First equation. What is that? The equation we got, one by this 1 by 4 pi r square minus half r square plus 1 by 6 pi r square minus 1 by 4, that is root 3 by 4 r square equal to 256.66. This we need to solve completely. You can see here r is there in this variable. Everywhere you have r. See here, this one and this one. So very easily we can solve this. We'll take r square common. If I take r square common, then I have 1 by 4 pi minus half plus 1 by 6 pi minus root 3 by 4 equal to 256.66. Now we need to calculate what is this. R square 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 minus root 3 by 4 equal to, you need to have lot of patience. See, this is the last question of the question paper. So you can in exam from 30 onwards, like 31, 32, 33, 30 onwards, 8 questions are going to take lot of time. So before 30, whatever you will have, you will need to finish that at least within 2 hours. Within 2 hours means 1 hour at least you need for the last 8 questions. They will not be easy. Like this calculation, tedious calculation will come out. So you need to have a patience and need to manage time. Don't waste your time in solving multiple choice questions and 2 marks and all. Finish them off as early as possible. As early as possible you need to finish. From 30 to 38 you need a time, you need a patience to do those questions. So you have to be careful. Now we'll take this now. What is this 1 by 4 22 by 28 r square? 22 by 28 minus, you need to have patience here, half, plus this will be 22 by 42 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 256.66. Then finally r square, if you cancel this, 2 14s are 2 11s are, and here you can cancel 2 21s are 2 11s are. So 11 by 14 minus half plus 11 by 21 minus root 3 by 4 equal to 256.66. Now you need to finish the work of this here. So how will you do this now? You can take LCM of all these numbers denominators, 14, 2, 21, 4 and do. Or if you want to finish one by one, then do cross multiplication and finish. So whatever you feel is easy, you have to do. So finally your R you should get around 26.13 meters. That will be your R meters. You need to work from here. First you need to simplify, and whatever answer you will get, you will take here and divide this. Divide with this. Divide this number by the answer whatever you get here. That will be your R square. R square it will be. Then for R you need to take a root of that, square root of that complete answer, which will come up to 26.13. So work out from here, you have to work out the basics. I think go for LCM method because 4 fractions are there. So find out the LCM of 14, 2, 21. What will be the LCM? 14, 2, 21 and 4. 2 7s are, 2 1s are, 21 as it is, 2 2s are. Then we'll go for 2 again, 7 as it is, 1 as it is, 21 as it is, 1s are here. Now I will take 7, 1s are 1, 3s are 1. Then I will go for 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, everywhere 1. This is the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are 84. 84 is the LCM. So 14, how much is 84? I'll show you that also. 14 6s are 2, 42s are, then 21, how much is that? 21, 84, 84 is the LCM. 21, how much is 84? 84 by 21. 4s are. 4s are, then 4 21s are. So what you will get? 66 minus 42 plus 44 minus 21 root 3 divided by 84. Like this you will get. which is equal to 256.66. Then you have to finish the work of this. Now here root 3 is there, right? That root 3 you consider 1.732. Means multiply 21 into 1.732. You will get one decimal number. Then you can subtract these two, add 44, finally subtract that value. Okay, do this, work out this from here. Let's take third part now. I'll remove this. What is third part? Find the area of the segment with red roses, or find the area of segment with yellow flowers. So any one segment they are asking, we'll do both. 3a. You already know the formula. Area of red segment. What is area of red segment? First write formula. What is formula? Theta by 360, and theta is 90 for red segment. 90 by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sine theta, sine 90. This 1 by 4, pi is 22 by 7, r you got, how much you got r? 26.13. So write 26.13 whole square minus here half 26.13 whole square into 1, because sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Finish off this 22 by 28 into 26.13 whole square. 26.13 into again 26.13 you do, then half. Here also repeat the same thing, 26.13 into 26.13. You can cancel this. 2 14s are 2 11s are. What is 26.13? 26.13. 2613 you multiply these numbers, then in the answer leave 4 digits and give a decimal point. You will get it. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6 7. Then repeat the whole number because it is 1. Then 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 7, 6 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12, and 3 15. Next 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, and 5 here. Add this 9 6 9 17 13 20 26 27, then 2 6 8 10 12, 5 3 8 6. See, this is the number. Leave 4 digits and give decimal point. From the right side leave 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. 682 point, this is 682.7769 minus here also 682.7769. Why I am doing this calculation and showing you here? Tell me why I did this multiplication. Because I want you to understand how much patience is required for the last questions and how much calculation will be there, because every student will have a problem here only. Once they come across the huge calculation, they lose their patience. No need to lose. 3 hours time will be given. So you need to be you need to be doing it. Now again here calculation is very huge. See here this number. You need to multiply 11 to this, then divide by 14. This anyway will take half of this, or divide by 2. Then you will subtract, that will give you answer. How much patience is required, you just see. and how fast you should be in multiplying and all. It's not about being a fast, be accurate. Take time, have fresh mind, and prepare yourself mentally that you will have to calculate. You will have to do the calculation for end questions. Otherwise, all other questions will have simple calculations. When it comes to such calculations, you should not do mistake. Okay, that will be this answer will come up to, from here again you do 194.59. Write down these answers. Square meter. 194.59 square meter. Okay. Then we will find this third we will do. For yellow roses, same formula. Replace this 90 by 60. Third B, replace that 90 by 60. Again same calculation will be repeated. Third B, 60 by 360 pi r square minus half r square sine 60. You just need to take this 1 by 6 into 22 by 7. Anyway, r square is 23 point, that this number you have here, 682.7769 minus half 682.7769 into root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. You need to calculate this complete, and this answer will come up to 61.67 square meter. 61.67 square meter you should get. Clear everyone? This was the last question, 38th. See, it took almost 15 minutes. It took almost, I think. For when you are solving in an exam, it will not take so much time. Here I was explaining, so it took. But these questions will take time because lot of things are involved. Clear everyone? Work these questions out. This 37 also you need to work out. 37 was easy anyway. This is a theorem, easy, and here from trigonometry this is also easy. So some questions will be there which will trouble you like this. Otherwise all other questions will be very easy. Okay, that's the end of this question paper. Should we continue or will stop? Will this appear in exam, sir? Because formula is not there in NCERT. Which is this? You may get such questions. You have to remember this formulae. They have given in last year question paper. This is last year question paper actually. Remember, write down this formula. Area of segment is given by this formula. Theta by 360. Write down this. That's why we are solving question paper, no? Theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sine theta. Area of segment. Write down. Area of sector you all know. It is just theta by 360 into pi r square. That is area of sector. Sector will look like this. This is area of segment. So we'll have two parts. Sector minus half of r square sine theta. sector minus half of r square sin theta. They may ask such questions. Don't think that formula is not there, they won't ask. CBSE you can expect anything. CBSE, it's not like state board, no. Okay, tell me, we'll stop here or take up the new question paper? If you have any other work, you have any other studies and all, then we'll stop here. Is the video clear or is it clear? Sir, we can stop here, sir. Again we'll have. Ah, 9 p.m. If you people are ready to attend, then I will keep. 9 p.m. if you are ready to come 1 hour, come 1 hour. We'll do the other question paper. We'll start one more question paper. Okay, then we'll take one more hour at 9 p.m. also. So we'll do like this only every Sunday. 1 hour morning, 1 hour evening. Then as the exam comes near, when you get holidays, right? When you are in holidays, if you get holiday and all, that time we will do one question paper in one session only. Like 2 hours we'll finish off. It will not take 3 hours, 2 hours it will maximum take. We'll start one whole question paper, we will finish. Now let's become familiar to all the questions and all. Then when exam comes, daily we will do one question paper, don't worry. You people start preparing the lessons. If you are done with all the lessons, no, question paper is very easy to solve. If you are not ready with your concepts, then you will struggle. If I explain also, you will not understand because you don't have basics cleared, right? So lesson by lesson, keep a target. I am planning to start this one, like every day one lesson you should finish every day. 14 lessons, 14 days. You should do like that. One lesson every day you should finish. And almost like maybe at least 10 lessons you might have prepared already. 10 lessons you have prepared already. Say for example, real numbers, linear equations, all these. 4 lessons you should focus more is triangles, Triangles, circles. The circles is those proving questions. Prove that, show that, such questions. Other than that, nothing is there. Then applications of trigonometry, easy, but still you need to focus on this. Then comes volume surface area. These are the 4 chapters which you need to solve more questions from these 4. Other 10 lessons are very easy. Statistics, probability, these are all very easy. Statistics calculation part, you need to become very fast. You need to add, you should be adding the numbers within fractions of time. Fast. That comes by more number of practice. Okay, anyway, bye bye. Take care, all of you. Thanks for joining me here. Yes, see you all at 9 p.m. sharp. Take care. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Have a nice day, all of you. Yes, have a very nice day. Just keep smiling, keep laughing, keep practicing. Don't take tension. Tension will lead to bad result. Don't take tension of anything. Be happy. Everything will be fine. Don't worry.